Hi everybody, I guess all of you are fine. Today we'll be learning about the 8 periods in English literature. The first is Old English, जो कि Anglo-Saxon age भी कही जाती है. It starts from 450 AD to 1066. Second period is the Middle English period. It is from 1066 to 1500. ये सब divided है 3 eras में. The Anglo-Norman period, the age of Chaucer, which is very important, 1340 से 1400 तक ये है. इसके बाद है the age of Baron और Dark Age 1400 से 1500 तक. उसके बाद आता है the Renaissance period. Renaissance was very important period in the history of English literature. ये 1500 से 1660 तक है. इसमें पहला पीरियड है the Elizabethan age, जिसको हम 1558 से 1603 तक काउंट करते हैं. इसके बाद Jacobean age, which is again from 1603 to 1625. Then Caroline age, 1625 to 1649. Then comes Commonwealth period, which is from 1649 to 1660. Commonwealth period को हम the Puritan age भी कहते हैं. It was one of the shortest reign in the history of English literature. Now let's move to the next, and that is the Neoclassical period, जो कि आपका शुरू होता है 1600 से 1785 तक. Neoclassical में पहला है the Restoration period, which is from 1660 to 1700. Second comes the Augustan age or the age of Pope, because Alexander Pope was one of the most famous poets at that time, so it is also referred by his name, from 1700 to 1745. Then comes the age of sensibility or the age of Johnson, जो कि है 1745 से 1785 तक. Now we come to the Romantic period, which is also famous as Gothic era. It is from 1785 to 1830. Now let's come to the 6th period of English literature, that is the Victorian period. It is from 1830 to 1901. And this also can be divided into 3, or you can say 2 as well. The Pre-Raphaelites, which is from 1848 to 1860, and then aestheticism and decadence. So that is the 2 divisions in Victorian period. Then comes the modern period, which is from 1901 to 1939, or you can refer to 45 as well. It is again subdivided into 2, or you can say 3 as well. Here I have mentioned only 2. The Edwardian period, which is from 1901 to 1914, 1910 or 1914 will be the correct time. Then the Georgian period, which is from 1910 to 1936. Now there will be also a period which is interwar period, that is 1918 to 1939. Which I haven't mentioned because it covers up in the Georgian period. Then comes the postmodern